Hi, I'm Jim McGowan with FLIR Systems, and today I'm on board our test boat Flirtatious off the central coast of California. I'm here to tell you about our new M400 and M400 XR high-performance thermal camera systems. The M400 is FLIR's most powerful commercially available maritime thermal camera system. This is our most popular system for first responders, coastal patrol boats, commercial vessels, and even large yachts. In fact, the M400 XR was recently chosen to be the electro-optical infrared sensor system on board the U.S. Customs and Border Protection's Coastal Interceptor Vessel program. M400 XR is also widely deployed around the world with several navies, coast guards, and marine police agencies. FLIR has a rich history of supplying cutting-edge imaging technology to military, law enforcement, and search and rescue organizations around the world. The M400 continues and expands on this tradition, making our most powerful thermal imaging technology available in the commercial market. Unlike the M625 or M617 systems with a fixed field of view, the M400 uses a high-resolution continuous zoom thermal optical system that will allow you to detect a 30-foot outboard boat at ranges up to 3.7 nautical miles in good conditions, without sacrificing the wide field of view available for general navigation duty. The optical zoom goes from 18 degrees to 6 degrees, and with digital zoom you can narrow it even further to 1.5 degree field of view. This extra magnification makes the M400 extremely popular with government agencies and commercial shipping outlets who are looking to perform long-range surveillance. This powerful thermal range performance can be useful in search and rescue operations as well as in man-overboard recovery situations. It also gives watchstanders the extra reaction time they need to respond to threatening vessels on the horizon. M400's visible light payload is a high-definition daylight camera with a 30x optical zoom, a 12x digital zoom, and an overall 360x magnification. It provides amazing surveillance and standoff distance day or night with excellent low-light capabilities. M400's long-range visible camera, which is gyro-stabilized, rivals the performance of high-powered binoculars. Gyro stabilization automatically counteracts pitch and yaw motion in heavy seas. The end result is a smooth and steady image from the camera, even when using its full zoom capabilities. The visible camera is a powerful tool for positive vessel identification at long range. This is a must-have feature for law enforcement vessels, fast response craft, and vessels looking to get maximum performance from their long-range cameras. M400 also has an integrated narrow beam spotlight that can be useful for lighting up targets for the daylight camera or for crew coordination. The beam is precision aligned with the M400's visible and thermal cameras, making it easy to point out an object of interest without embarrassing other vessels or ruining the night vision of on-deck crew members. The basic M400 camera system consists of a camera, a joystick, and a monitor. The camera outputs a standard NTSC analog video signal that's compatible with just about any display, monitor, or marine multifunction display you might have. The video output includes color on-screen symbology that shows you where the camera is pointed, along with system status and zoom level. M400 also has a built-in web server that outputs video over IP. Users can see and can control the M400 over Ethernet from PCs, workstations, marine displays, and security monitoring networks. The M400 also has a broadcast quality HD SDI video output, which provides unrivaled image quality on compatible displays. The camera can be aimed and controlled from one or more joystick controllers located anywhere on board the vessel. The camera can pan 360 degrees continuously and tilt plus or minus 90 degrees. If you do happen to get lost at any point along the way, a simple touch of the home button will immediately bring the camera back to its forward navigation position. M400 offers several different color palettes you can select from to aid in picking out targets or to reduce eye strain. FLIR M400 can be integrated with many multifunction navigation displays from Raymarine, Furuno, Garmin, and Simrad. Most of these systems allow you to control the camera's pan and tilt by touchscreen. Changes to settings and preferences can be made through the MFD's menu system. Integrating with an MFD unlocks additional features like slew to queue. Slew to queue allows the M400 camera to follow commands from the multifunction display. For example, you might touch on the electronic chart or radar to have the camera point at an object of interest. Slew to queue also lets the camera automatically track AIS contacts and respond automatically to a man overboard alert by locking onto the GPS coordinates where the alarm was triggered. M400 also supports NMEA 0183 integration with many marine radar systems. When linked together, the M400 can follow cues from the radar to follow radar cursor track ARPA contacts, or look ahead towards the next program navigation waypoint. FLIR offers two versions of the M400 camera system, the M400 and M400 XR. The M400 XR option adds a video auto tracker that can help reduce operator workload by automatically panning and tilting the camera to follow a selected target. Once the target is in track, you can zoom in or zoom out and even change freely between visible and thermal cameras. This is an extremely useful feature for tracking fast-moving targets or targets evading pursuit. First responders and rescue craft can use the tracker to keep the camera locked onto an object of interest or on a scene. Even if your own vessel drifts or maneuvers, the camera will automatically pan and tilt to keep the scene in frame. The M400 XR also features a firefighting mode. This is a special high-temperature sensor calibration with spot measurement capability. It also incorporates a custom color palette designed to help marine firefighters see the hottest spot in the scene, even through dense smoke and steam. We've gone out of our way to torture test it both in the lab and at sea to make sure it'll provide you years of reliable service. The M400 has a rugged sealed enclosure with an IPX6 waterproof rating. It also has a military standard 810E certification. M400 is cold weather ready with automatic lens heaters that'll defrost or de-ice the lenses automatically. The M400 is the right choice for first responders, rescue agencies, and commercial ships looking for excellent long-range day and night imaging. Contact us today to find out how the FLIR M400 and M400 XR can bring unmatched safety, security, and awareness to your vessel.